What is up, guys? And I'm back with another video. I like this one pretty quick, actually, because I'm recording on my iPhone 6, and it has very bad battery health, and it dies. It's at 65, but it'll probably be dead before 10 seconds pass. I'm recording on that phone because I don't have any other ones right now to film with. But I want to, my other ones are doing something. But anyway, I want to make a video about how to use, it's like precision finding with AirTags, but it's kind of the same with your AirPods. So, but first I want to address anything. So, when you go in to find my... Let's see. Go to your AirPods, and then it says find nearby. It's almost like precision finding, but it'll have a green arrow instead of this. However, when we go into here, it says searching for signal. The issue is when they're in their case, they won't do this. But if you do lose them out of their case, they do come up as precision findable. So it's not really precision because it's not really giving you the immaculate arrow directions, but however, this is how you do this. So it can help you guide you to your direction a little bit. If I cover them up, it says near. If I throw them over here, it says near. Now I'm gonna walk across the room really quick, guys. Let me show you here. Here they are. Okay, let's walk. I'm gonna open my door, walk to the kitchen and back with these AirPods in my hand. Okay, it still says near. I'm sure it said far, though. At one time, I walked all the way to my kitchen and ran back. However, if I put this one out here, I have one little AirPod and one of those little display candles. And that is apparently it's my left, yep, that's my left one. It still says near, though. It says keep moving. So I'm going to go move it. Okay, so now I have it a little further. Oh my god, still near? So you can even play a sound if it's anywhere near. It gives you a little... Oh! Oh, what? That played the sound on this one. This is in my left one. This is my right one. Yeah, right one says here. Left one says near. And it's all the way in my living room. So I'm going to walk even further with it. This one's going to stay here. Okay, so now it's all the way in my parents' bedroom. Oh yeah, far. So let's play a sound and see. It says left butt has been found still. So we are still able to play a sound and locate it with here. So now I'm going to take this. This isn't like precision finding or anything. It'd be way harder. It'd be way easier with AirPods or AirTags. Okay, sorry. Because it gives you an arrow and it gives you more feet directions. This can be helpful though if you're out of the case lost. You can walk around your entire house. It'll tell you where it's closest. So say, is it in the bathroom? No. Is it in this room? No. All you gotta do is walk in. When it gets a signal, it'll say near. But if I go downstairs, maybe if I go under the room where it is, let's see if that does anything. Let me go under the exact room in my basement where it's at. Oh, it scared the crap out of me. Holy crap. Okay, it still says far. But I think it's actually under this room. Still says far. However, let me play a sound. It still says it's found. So it should be like right up here somewhere. Still says far though. I can still play a sound. But we're gonna go back upstairs and then see if we can go find if it says near and how long it takes to say near. Oh, whoa, wait a second. We got a ping. Okay, we're downstairs, you guys. And it just said near for a second. About right here. Okay, so that could be confusing. You could think it's down. Well, you wouldn't think it's downstairs, but I'm gonna go to the location now. Maybe it's down this hallway. Ooh, it says near. Where is it at? Ooh, it says here. Huh, that's incorrect. Oh, now it says near. Maybe it'll say, ooh. Okay, we're here. That's correct. We are here. However, it's not like precision finding with air tags, because I've been watching up on that. Precision finding with air tags, a little arrow will point to your area and it will tell you about how much feet away it is. That's helpful. However, this is okay. It is okay, good tracking. Now, you can tell just by Bluetooth signals, it can give you these hints. So I put my hand over it, maybe I put it in my hand, put it under here, in my pocket. Now it says near. If I throw it in here, now it says near. So guys, I want to do one more test with the AirPod. We're gonna hide it in the basement, come back upstairs, and see if we can get a signal the whole time. So I'm gonna go back in this room right here. I'm going to put it just stick it right here, okay? Safely right there. And let's take the phone, it says near. So this room is actually right. Let's see where this is. Okay, so we're gonna shut the door. It says near. Already says far. So I guess there's a door blocking the signal though. Maybe if I walk over here a bit. Now it says near again. This is very fun to screw around with. If this is a little fun to screw with, then imagine precision finding. Okay. Here we are, we're far. Okay, we're far from it. However, we're still getting directions, so let's go to the right one quick. Also far from that. Sounds played right, bud. Sound played left, bud. And if I go near this vent, I can hear it down there. Yep, you can. I can hear the AirPod. That's hilarious. Okay, so it is still connecting to the AirPod. I'm gonna leave this here along with this, and we're just gonna see what happens when I am down there without my phone grabbing my AirPod down there. So let's do it. I'm gonna run, guys. I'm gonna run. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, wow. That was a run. So yeah, guys, it works pretty good. Now let's go to our right one. Oh, I lost my right AirPod. I'm making a vid. Oh, I lost it. Where's it at? I know that thing, Emma. Okay. Oh, we're already near. So you could really look around the whole house with this. It'd take time, but it would help. Another thing to keep in mind is that this only works when they're out of the case. Sometimes it works while they're in the case, but very rarely, which is very something Apple should address. That's kind of stupid, actually. But we're here. Ah, shoot, now we're near. So yeah, it's right there. It works. It's like precision finding on AirTags. Not as good but works. But it does go good. This one is not. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Oh, you can hear that. Yeah, this beeps every time I do it, though. So, yes, guys. And if I take them and put them back in the case. Wrong one. It still works for a second. If I throw the case over there. It says near. It's glitching a bit. Cover it with my hand. Sit on it, maybe. No, it still says here. Under my pillow? Okay, see, I think it timed out far. See, it can be pretty glitchy. But you get those little haptic feedbacks as well. So that was a little test on the AirPods one. You can barely hear it in the case. Listen to this. I don't know, this phone's too loud as it is. Okay. Barely. Anyway, guys, that's a little test about this, how it was doing. Works very great. Pretty cool. So, yeah. Peace out, guys.